Hello everyone, welcome to Madam English YouTube channel. In this video, you will listen to the explanation of what inside a leaf is. First, cuticle. It is a waxy layer covering the upper epidermis of the leaf, made of a substance called cutin. The cuticle acts as a waterproof barrier, reducing water loss from the leaf surface. Second, upper epidermis. It is the single layer of cells covering the top surface of the leaf. It provides protection from water loss, UV radiation, and pathogens. It also secretes a waxy cuticle. The third layer is mesophyll. It is the tissue between the upper and lower epidermis of the leaf, responsible for photosynthesis. It contains chloroplast for capturing sunlight and carrying out photosynthesis. It's further divided into two types of cells. Next, there are palisade cells. These are tightly packed cells that contain a high number of chloroplasts. They specialize in photosynthesis due to their abundance of chloroplasts for capturing sunlight. Next, you'll find spongy mesophyll. They are irregularly shaped cells in the lower region of the mesophyll, containing air spaces between them. They allow for gas exchange within the leaf due to the air spaces. Next, chloroplasts. These are specialized organelles within plant cells containing chlorophyll, the green pigment responsible for capturing sunlight during photosynthesis. The chloroplast converts sunlight energy into chemical energy, glucose, through photosynthesis. The next part is guard cells, a pair of specialized cells surrounding each stomata, responsible for opening and closing the pore. By changing their shape, inflating or deflating, guard cells control the size of the stomata opening, regulating gas exchange and water loss. Next, lower epidermis, the single layer of cells covering the underside of the leaf. Similar to the upper epidermis, it provides protection and contains more stomata for gas exchange. The last part is stomata. These are microscopic pores on the leaf surface, allow for gas exchange, carbon dioxide intake and oxygen release. Controlled by guard cells, stomata open and close to regulate gas exchange and water loss. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe Madam English YouTube channel.